Welcome, architects and senior engineers. In today's competitive landscape, developer velocity and cognitive load are critical business metrics. A disjointed toolchain, inconsistent standards, and complex cloud-native architectures can severely hamper productivity. The solution? An internal developer platform, or IDP. An IDP acts as a paved road for your developers, providing a single pane of glass for the entire software development lifecycle. It standardizes workflows, automates boilerplate, and provides clear visibility into your services. In this session, we will focus on designing and implementing a world-class IDP using one of the most powerful open-source frameworks available today, Backstage. Originally created at Spotify and now a CNCF project, Backstage provides the foundational components to build a platform that truly serves your engineering organization's unique needs. By the end of this session, you will be equipped to begin designing your own Backstage implementation. Our objectives are threefold. First, we will deconstruct the core components of Backstage. You will understand the fundamental roles of the software catalog, the scaffolder, and tech docs, and how they form the backbone of your IDP. Second, we will analyze the power of Backstage's plugin ecosystem. We will discuss the strategy for integrating existing tools and developing custom plugins to address your organization's specific challenges and workflows. Finally, we will outline a strategic implementation roadmap. This isn't just about technology, it's about adoption. We'll cover key considerations for a phased rollout from initial proof of concept to full organizational adoption, ensuring your IDP delivers immediate and lasting value. Let's delve into the architecture. At the heart of Backstage is the software catalog. This is not merely a list of services. It's a metadata-driven system that understands ownership, dependencies, and relationships between all your software components, services, websites, libraries, and even data pipelines. It's populated by YAML files, typically catalog.info.yaml, which live alongside your code, making the catalog a living, version-controlled system of record. Next, we have the software scaffolder. This powerful tool allows you to create new projects and components from standardized templates. Think of it as npx create React app, but for your organization. A template can provision a Git repository, set up CI/CD pipelines, configure cloud resources, and register the new component in the software catalog, all in one action. This enforces best practices and dramatically reduces the time to Hello World. Complementing these is TechDocs, which treats your documentation just like code. It allows developers to write documentation in Markdown files within their source repository, and Backstage renders it beautifully within the developer portal. But the true power comes from the plugin architecture. Backstage is not monolithic. You integrate your existing tools, be it your CI/CD system, security scanner, or feature flagging service, via plugins. You can use dozens of open source plugins or build your own to create a bespoke experience. Your implementation strategy should be to start with these core components, then incrementally add plugins that solve the most significant pain points for your developers, creating a flywheel of adoption and value. Let's take a moment to review these core concepts with a few questions. First question: what is the primary mechanism for populating and maintaining the Backstage software catalog? If you said catalog.info.yaml files stored in source code repositories, you are correct. This as-code approach ensures the catalog remains accurate and up-to-date. Second question: an engineering team wants to ensure every new microservice is created with the standard observability stack and security scanning pipeline. Which core Backstage component would be used to automate this process? The answer is the software scaffolder. By creating a standardized template, they can enforce these best practices from the moment of creation. Final question: true or false? Backstage requires you to replace your existing CI/CD and monitoring tools with its own built-in versions. That is definitively false. Backstage is designed to integrate with, not replace, your existing toolchain. Its power lies in its plugin-based architecture, which unifies the developer experience across your preferred tools. To summarize, designing an IDP with Backstage is about creating a unified, streamlined developer experience. We've established that the core pillars, the software catalog for visibility,
the scaffolder for standardization, and tech docs for accessible knowledge provide a powerful foundation. Remember, the goal is not to build a platform that does everything, but one that provides a paved road for the most common and critical engineering workflows. The plugin architecture is your key to achieving this, allowing you to bring your entire toolchain under a single cohesive interface. Your next steps are strategic. Begin by identifying your organization's most significant developer friction points. Is it service discovery, environment setup, onboarding? Start there. Form a dedicated platform team and begin with a small proof of concept, perhaps by cataloging a few key services and creating 1 or 2 essential scaffolder templates. Measure developer satisfaction and time to production. By taking an incremental, value-driven approach, you can build a Backstage-powered IDP that not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a culture of engineering excellence and inner sourcing.